So here we go with the first starter for chapter 9.4 on the AS mechanics, and we've got a speed or speed time graph. The speed's in meters per second, the time's in seconds, and it's a motorbike which ends up overtaking a van. So a motorbike accelerates at 3 meters per second squared for 4 seconds, 6 seconds after being passed by a van. So the motorbike starts to move 6 seconds after the van has passed it. How far has the motorbike travelled when it overtakes the van? And how long did it take from when it started to move to overtake the van? Now, I've done a few of these before, so hopefully you remember the approach. The key thing is that the distance travelled by the van and the motorbike are the same. The distance travelled is the area under the graphs. So we want how long did it take from when it started to move to overtake the van. That's the time there that we've got to work out. So let's call that T, and we've got another 6 seconds there. So the distance travelled by the van, distance travelled by the van is equal to 6 plus t, the time, times the speed it was travelling, 10. Distance travelled by the motorbike is equal to t plus, now what's the length of the parallel side? Well, we're told accelerates at 3 meters per second for 4 seconds. So this distance up here is 4. So this must be t take away 4. And it accelerates at 3 meters per second for 4 seconds. So this speed here is 12. So we get t plus t minus 4 for the sum of the parallel sides times half of the distance between them. So half, and the distance between the parallel sides is 12. Let's tidy this up. So we get 2t minus 4 times 6. Okay, so when they overtake, those two must be equal. That's these two. The distance for the van and the distance for the motorbike travelled must have been the same. So we get 6 plus t times 10 is equal to 6 times 2t minus 4. Expand the brackets, 12t minus 24 is equal to 60 plus 10t. 84 equals 2t, so t equals 41 seconds. Okay. 41 seconds. And the distance travelled then, distance, it doesn't matter which we substitute it back into because they are the same. So 6 plus 41 times 10 is 470 metres. Okay, and that's the end of the first starter.